Sure.
Again, integration beginners. So
Yeah.
let's say I'm a developer, I'm administrator of ServiceNow. If I want to start understanding integration, so what are the
Yeah.
steps which you can share for I'm sorry, for a beginner to start the
Yeah.
integrations so that they
Yeah.
will be very good in this?
Yeah. Well, I mean, first of all, I've got to give a big shout out to Now Learning. There's a excellent course on Now Learning to go take for integrations. Any of the integrations course on Now, there's any
So these
integrations
are free
courses.
courses?
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
I mean, any courses on Now Learning are free. Any of the non-mainline certifications on Now Learning are free.
Okay.
So you can go take, there's a couple of them that are on REST integrations. The doc site has a good couple of articles on REST integrations on the platform. The Flow Designer and Integration Hub not the main line, the and I'm drawing a blank. The micro certifications, go get the micro certifications. Those are free. Go get the micro certifications for Integration Hub because that's going to teach you how to do an integration from
Okay.
start to finish in the Now Learning platform, or I'm sorry, in the ServiceNow platform, and it's going to teach you how to build the hub and spoke method that gets the flow designer flows up and running. And if you're going to start building integrations in ServiceNow, Integration Hub is the place to do it. I mean, really, like, let's be honest, that's the place that's going to get the integrations from start to finish. If you're looking at the old workflow method, or if you're looking at the old RESTful implementation method, you're that's definitely a way to do it, and you can do it that way. But if you're looking at how to do it from a I am certified on the Now platform, the micro certification for uh the integration hub,
Mm-hmm.
that's going to get you the certification.
Okay.
Two totally different things, right? Like if you're trying to get the certification, that's what's going to help you do it. If you're trying to learn how to practically, do every single type of integration, you're going to have to go do some research and figure out how there are all those different methods. The most up-to-date method of putting an integration on the platform, and the most, how, if you ask a ServiceNow person, someone that bleeds emerald green, they're going to tell you it's Integration Hub. That's the way you do
Okay.
it.
Okay. Okay. Great.